This is gonna hurt so bad. Janelle, you are a grown, independent, fierce woman. You can do this. 1, 2. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Janelle Christina, and as promised, because I am a woman of my word 87% of the time, I will be showing you all how I groom my eyebrows at home, from the beginning to the end, from the wax to the Dipbrow pomade. I will be covering everything that you need to know about doing your eyebrows at home. I've been doing my own eyebrows for about 4 years now, but I've just started waxing them maybe about 2 years ago. The only person on this planet that knows how I like my eyebrows is me. So I am very comfortable with doing my own eyebrows. I save a tremendous amount of money every year just by waxing my eyebrows, and you can too. So let's get started. If this video moves a little bit too fast for you, no worries. All products and directions will be in the description box below. Okay guys, so first things first, we're going to start by brushing our eyebrows upwards with a spoolie, just so we can determine what needs to be waxed and what doesn't. This part you want to be super careful with because the wax is hot and it can burn you. I'm going to put just a tiny bit of wax on the end of an angled popsicle stick and apply a thin even layer of the wax underneath the arch of my eyebrow on top of any unwanted hair. You want to imagine that your eyebrows are already filled in and concealed so that you don't take too much hair off. Next, I'm taking a piece of muslin cloth. You can use an old sheet or a pillowcase, whatever floats your boat. Cut it up into rectangular pieces and press it firmly on the wax until it feels sticky. Once you've built up enough courage, you want to pull the cloth off in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Pull the cloth off quickly and with a little bit of force so that you'll get all unwanted hair off. Now you want to gently press down on your skin to calm it. You guys, I am so dramatic. I promise it does not hurt as bad as I'm making it seem. Now you just want to repeat this process until you get your desired eyebrow shape. Now I'm going to take a paper towel with a little bit of olive oil on it just to wipe off the excess wax residue. Using a pair of tweezers, I'm just going to tweeze any stubborn hairs, and also using a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut the top and the bottom of my eyebrow. And now I'm going to show you guys how I get my Instagram eyebrows. I'm going to use my Dipbrow Pomade in Chocolate by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For my concealer, I'll be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. And last but certainly not least, you want to blend out all of that concealer around your eyebrows. Say no to halo eyebrows. Say no. That is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I did not record an outro, so please enjoy this random snippet that I did not know I was recording. Remember to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!